What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry. Welcome to the channel Buy the Dip. Guys, today we're going to talk about that ticker symbol BARK. That's right, the original Bark company. If you don't know what it is Barkbox, man. I've been talking about this one for a while on the channel, and boy, where'd this come from? This kind of looks like a little mini short squeeze if you look here at the chart today. Like, this thing was just hovering like $11, a little around 11. And then boom, it shot up to 12. We shot up here to 12.54. We shot up to 12.60. And we ended the day at 12.69. This stock was up almost 15% today. And it's like, what is the news that is causing the craziness on this? Now, I did buy this stock back when it was the SPAC. So I am a little bit negative on this. I have 110 shares at an average cost of $13.72. But this is not a short-term play for me, guys. This stock is definitely one I plan on holding on to. Now, if this thing jumps up crazy out of nowhere, I may do sell a covered call, try to get some premium on that. If we get some kind of a short squeeze, so that's what we're going to cover today. Did this price jump 15% today? Is that a short squeeze, or is it just because it was listed on the New York Stock Exchange that maybe more people's buying it now because it's not a SPAC? It is actually Barkbox. You're getting the SPAC completed. So we're going to go over everything today. Comment down below. What do you think after you watch this video? So guys, hit the thumbs up. Let's get to the video. All right, guys. So first, here is the first thing I want to cover. Barkbox's parent company just went public. Its stock rose. So here it is. This was just posted on June the 2nd. The stock officially became ticker symbol BARK, B-A-R-K. It was originally listed under the ticker symbol STIC. So this was here done. BARK rings the bell Wednesday, June 2nd as the company's first day of trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So, okay, if we look back here at the chart though, back on the 2nd, it was hanging around 11 something. But even after it was listed, it kind of dropped back down even to the 10s. We were hanging in the 11s. So what caused this today? Now, that's what I'm getting at here. What caused it today? As you can see, it was just still hanging at 11 something, and then boom, we're up 15% today. So is it the chance that this went public? Is it the reason? Or is it, I must say there is a thing I want to cover real quick. I do love Barkbox's comedic, their comedic, advertising. What greatness is this? It's finally time. Do you love money? That's hard to understand. Then we do have a toy for you. Introducing Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it's a Dogecoin but real. So basically, guys, you can see right here it is. It's a frisbee for your dog. And down here, if I asked, it could be worth the same as a single Dogecoin. But our finance team didn't think that was fun or funny, so that probably won't happen. But following the link, you reserve one so you can brag to your friends about the dog park, about your wealth. And there it is, man. They did do this post down here. Someone please tell at Elon Musk. I will mail him one of these Dogecoin toys if he finally adopts that Shiba. So there it is, man. I think that's pretty cool. I just wanted to point that out there. This is just a little taste of what you can see on the Barkbox Twitter page. Guys, you go up here to their Twitter page. They have a pretty crazy following on here. 300 and some thousand followers. They have a pretty big following on Instagram too. It was a crazy number. I don't have them pulled up. But just wanted to bring it on here. This company knows how. I love their marketing. I really love their marketing. But here is kind of where we're getting into the meat and potatoes. This is what I think shot this stock up 15% today. Now, Bark is soaring, taking off now. Massive short interest, 150%. This was posted 6 hours ago on Wall Street Bets on the Reddit. Now, sorry this post has been removed by the moderators of Wall Street Bets. So this could be false information, which is why this was removed. But I think this is probably the reason that this was starting to get bought up. Down in one of the posts here, someone did post a screenshot of the Bloomberg terminal. Now, people were saying this is fake, it's not correct. But down here, where you can see me hovering at, is where they're getting at. SI short interest of percent afloat, 4.5 million, 146.36% afloat. That's where I believe, if I'm correct, that all this craziness is happening, guys, of people thinking this stock is short 146%. Now, honestly, I don't know if that's real, if that's fake, but is that the reasoning that this is going? People were saying that it's only like 2% or something, 3% short interest. So I don't know if this is a fake on the Bloomberg terminal. I don't know how to really access the Bloomberg terminal myself, but that there kind of covers it. But I didn't buy Barkbox because of a possible short squeeze. I bought Barkbox because I actually love it. And I think it's a great, like I said, I never think it's going to be number one in the pet industry, but I believe it could be number 2 or 3, right behind Chewy. And I think it's Petco, I believe it is, PetSmart and all them. So it's going to be number 2 or 3 somewhere in there. And with these prices, guys, I mean, I was willing to buy this back when it was $13. We go back here. This thing, man, was hanging up pretty good. This stock was up to $18.50 after the initial, launch. Then it was hovering around 15. So for this whole market crash, created great buying opportunities for people to get into Bark. I mean, buying down here at $9 and $10 is just unbelievable. Congratulations to people that did buy it. Like I said, I did build out my position. I wanted to get those 100 shares. I was building out other positions as well during this crazy market correction. Now, there is another one here I wanted to show you guys. There was an article by the Motley Fool just posted the other day, and it has here the original Bark, which has officially completed its merger with a SPAC last week. It's another supercharged growth stock that has a moonshot potential written all over it. This is phenomenal. The Bark company, which is bestly known as Barkbox, provides dog-focused products and services to pet owners. Though you will find products in 23,000, sorry guys, I don't know why I was doing that. You will find its products in 23,000 retail doors. It's predominantly an e-commerce company that relies on high margin subscriptions. At the end of March, it had 1.2 million subscribers, which was up 91% from the prior year period. What's more than the company's S1 filing notes that monthly product retention is higher than it's ever been, which signifies that a high percent of subscribers aren't canceling. That's phenomenal news, guys. 1.2 million subscribers. Innovation is also important for Bark. Last year, it introduced Bark Home, which allows dog owners to purchase basic need accessories like collars, beds. Bark Eats, a program that personalizes and delivers a high-quality dry dog food diet to dog owners. That is what we want to hear right there, guys. If this isn't convincing enough, consider that it's been more than a quarter of a century, year over year, pet expenditures decline in the United States. This year alone, the American Pet Product Association expects nearly $110 billion will be spent on companion animals, $44.1 billion in which food and treats, which is Barkbox's specialty. That there is exactly what I wanted to hear. This article here was posted by the Motley Fool. 5 supercharged stocks that are going to the moon. That was by Sean William 2 days ago on June the 7th. So guys, that's everything I wanted to cover. We got Barkbox, going public right here on the New York Stock Exchange. The SPAC merger is complete. I love their marketing campaign on their Instagram, on their Twitter. I love everything they do. I love their Facebook commercials I do get. This article here was phenomenal by Sean Williams, talking about all the great stuff. If it don't even have a short squeeze, then you have this rumor here on Reddit going around about the massive short interest of 150%. Now, this could be fake, but it could be true. I mean, for me to see this stock jump like this, and it's already been on the market legally since the 3rd, I think it said. So it's already been like a whole week. So why would the stock kind of just hang down here and shoot up 15% for no reason? So for me, I think that short squeeze rumor, whether it's real or fake, we don't know. But I do think the short squeeze is what possibly caused this to jump up. Guys, comment down below. Do you think it was a mini short squeeze? Is it going to keep going? Are we going to come back down? Or do you think it's just people buying in now because they're realizing the potential of this company? Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.